Hello there. Monday was a day of contrast, still hot and humid in London. The temperatures were soaring. In fact, by the middle of the afternoon, we reached the highest temperature recorded so far this year, and that was 30 Celsius in Greater London. Now, it was a different story further north and west because of a weak weather front that was spilling in across Scotland into the north of England. Behind it, the wind direction changing to a northwesterly, and that brought with it some fresher air and a marked contrast. Look at Sunday's highs across Northern Ireland, 25 degrees, the warmest day of the year here. But by Monday, well, those temperatures were down quite sharply. And it looks as though that fresher feel will continue to be the theme of the weather into Tuesday as well. Starting off with a good deal of dry weather. Our weak weather front, just a band of cloud lingering first thing in the morning, but there'll be lots of sunshine coming through. An area of low pressure bringing some rain into western fringes of Scotland by the middle part of the day, and the winds increasing here. So we're looking at around 10 to 18 degrees overall high, but further south and east, 25 is not out of the question. So down a touch, but still that's 77 Fahrenheit. Now that weather front that's bringing the rain, that's going to bring some heavy bursts of rain for a time across Scotland overnight. But as we move into Wednesday, it'll be fairly weak affair by then as it moves out of the Scottish borders into the north of England and parts of North Wales. Behind it, we'll see some sunshine as well. Top temperatures of around 14 to 18 degrees. Ahead of it, we're starting to drag up more heat and more humidity once again. 28 degrees, not out of the question. And it's this heat and humidity which may well trigger off some sharp thundery downpours late on Wednesday towards the end of the working week. Why? Well, we've got this warm, humid air starting to move up from Spain and into France. Could trigger off some sharp thunderstorms which move their way across the channel. There is a lot of uncertainty just where these thunderstorms are likely to crop up. So it's worth keeping abreast of the forecast. But anywhere across eastern England could be at risk of some real torrential thundery downpours from time to time. Further north and west, it's a drier and brighter fare on Thursday. Top temperatures down considerably. We're looking at 13 to 22 degrees.